for me there. Because I don't want to see no negative comment that trick me off. I don't want to cuss. I say, I'm sorry.
You want to talk to you? So only brushing Tikki mouth. Because I said, I'm not take it back.
Well, if my mouth wants to sting, my love, I say, go, my dear. I say what I say. And I said, I apologize, and that's how it is, my love. If you want to take it back, that's your problem, my love. You ask, people that normally sit on them, I ask them always fall off, and so I not pay you mine, my love. If you want for bust more, I can bust more. If you want for good on the road, because dirty, nasty boy, you see me up here, I apologize, see you go over there, come talk about, say, I'm going to come rip you, but my mouth stink, you know, take it back. Nasty scammer boy, we use all the people, them credit card, but you put all of the candy, them.
Don't make it worse. Don't make it worse. Jesus. You're not going to be serious. Yes, come on. In whatever conversation you were having a cardiac.
Good morning.
Listen, don't tell me don't kind of me apologize 1,000 bomber blood clot time. When want from me, Trev, me not look fuck from you, girl. Me not look fuck from you, cause I told you one big good in our bomber wall. Don't fucking girl, tell a man for the passing place. Me apologize. What I want? We want to come piss out your battle, scammer boy. Go on here. Girl, tell him if you don't disrespect me. How much time the people them there me apologize bomber blood clot a jize. What more you want from me, dirty man? We see you done use the girl, and we over here so we laugh it off, and we done where you have it up. Yeah, what, your pussy bigger than ours? Your pussy bigger than Philly?
I thought we just turn a leaf. We still up on the same
leaf. Okay, yeah, I'm click me one bomber blood clot page a morning. Come in, I'm gonna do this with a dirty man.
You get the following them,
if you disrespect me again, dirt alert.
I don't know, baby. Don't know me
blood
first.
Clot. All you're doing is still up here living a color, you know. You only live in a blood clot color. Don't make me good on Emmanuel Road, sir. Don't do it. Come here, apologize 1,000 bomber blood clot time. Oh, come in a blood clot friend for your dirty color, sir. You're going to sit up in the screen and you filter and paper like me love to look good for nobody to trick nobody. No, come trick me. Watch your blood clot mouth for my profile. Oh, you might disrespect me, I may apologize. So what problem? You're right. Uno are too heavy. Not dirty people, because nobody are enough so heavy. Because we go on the life, I make your heart so heavy so blood clot quick. Or your heart so heavy. You're full of problem.
Bestie.
No, unlock me.
Don't be in there, mate.
Why?
You suck up moderator them. Go on. You know this me and me take it. Me sorry. Suck your mother. Fuck you, bitch. The fuck? Who is you?
Stop me, baby. Stop me.
Don't tell her if you don't blood clot disrespect me. Take you up here. You see me apologize.
Ah, yeah, me attack him. Me don't fit talk to him, only me don't fit.
Suck up, boy. Fuck.
Bad, I too, man. I love to know, bestie.
But Oniel apologize.
Yeah, only apologize. So check your done.
I will laugh it off. I'm telling you, if a blood clot come on, when you come this me again for dead dog. And I may have your file, you know. The girls in America have your file where you come through Mexico with. And I may have your file. So don't disrespect me. I'm at fact, I understand why you disrespect me. Because you talk about where the girl tell me say about you. If you saw you go, I saw you go. But if you don't go, you don't need to disrespect me again. When you talk things about me, I don't go, so I'm not disrespect.
And now serious time, a man judgment.
Blood clot.
Hi baby, what's up? You know a lot.
Well, rather than the girls, them come tell me your business. I never ask them nothing. Hey girl, blessing, come on, I'm gonna talk you more about in blood clot live.
Moderator, mute blessing. Blessing, mute blessing.
About blood clot in live. We don't go in your pussy or racking out. Man, me turn past someone in the comment in the car. Una carry blood clot news, make this bomber clot. Dundus come rub me for the wrong reason. So me talk the truth. You better mash up the fake relationship before it gets sour. And the truth, me tell me can't diss me, girl. If I prove me blood, hold on, Tikki. Me want Trev prove me wrong. Me say relationship fake, prove me wrong. Don't cuss blood clot me. Because when people tell me say no go so I prove them wrong, you know. I prove them wrong. Because if you tell me say me don't want my man, I want him up no blood clot more. Prove me wrong. You know if you cuss me, sir. Prove me wrong. I prove the crowd wrong. See, big one of the whole of the girl come at this sticky, they come prove them wrong now. The fuck? Come prove me wrong.
Well, me still say nobody wants, so me still want him and I still my man, don't bestie.
Yeah, if him disrespect me, I disrespect up in blood clot back. Yeah. Cause me ain't no real family and a real in-law. I think him me know. I think him me know from the dirt. I don't know you from nowhere. I think him watch rise up from the ash. I don't watch you rise up from nowhere.
That's what I say, yeah.
Blood clot, you come and start come disrespect me. How you, sir? I don't take disrespect from nobody. Oh.
Maybe Queen
I
is
will
still in us.
disrespect people and then disrespect me back, I will take it, but I never disrespect you. We talk what we say, and you could have agreed to disagree, but you choose to take it the wrong way, click your live, and you want to
Remember he's feeling to Black Beauty, go talk for him.
So,
Come go talk since he not go come up here. Remember me not gonna make nobody chastise my man. When you say he's been talking enough is enough. Where the only
take it back. May I beg you something?
Wait,
So,
when did my Black Beauty enough is enough?
no, Oniel was saying if you can prove people wrong, so may I say every relationship take work and he's been trying, but people have feelings too, just like how you have feelings, him have feelings to Tikki.
I'm Black Pearl, Black Princess, Black Love. That man don't love Tikki. And the argument done. If
But-
him want, remember a whole time we're going to a relationship, we don't love the man and we grow for love the man. Him can't do just that. But for the moment right now, him don't love the girl.
But Oniel,
Girl, him don't love the girl.
let me hear what you say, but that is your opinion.
Girl, that's not my opinion. Girl, couldn't stop play hypocrite now, man. That's a man using and breathing up and really for you, Black Pearl.
Me not have no pitney yet, son, man.
Well, man, I'm going to use it for still delusional.
Because
Wake
so-
up.
but sometime-
Smell the coffee,
Oniel.
it's burning.
Oniel, sometimes we have to be delusional till we wake up.
Girl, you don't want to be delusional. You want to be delusional. You
Oniel,
want to wake
hold
up
on,
and
listen, no, me not come for argue, me just a say.
Yeah, argue, but
and
you have to
everybody,
make foolish
and
shit.
everybody are gonna wake up same time. Some people have to just go and do them have to do till then wake up. All I'm basically saying is
Everybody sleep over time. Alarm no wake some people. I want to have it up also.
the internet has been saying this and I run with the narrative that Trev don't want Tikki. Trevor use Tikki. Whatever the internet are run with, they know what they do and they know what they feel about each other, regardless. At the end of the day, he's only human and he have feelings too. And if you not continue continuously, because I was watching the live Oniel and hear him say something and you feel a way about what him say. But
What I'm
sometimes
saying.
we can't stop because at the end of the day, you step out of your mouth if Tikki talk about your man, you got this Tikki.
Then girl.
Meanwhile,
Hold on, baby, hold on. No, baby, there's a difference. No, hold on. Before you go any further, there's a difference. There is a difference. My man now use me, cause guess I'm not to come no man when me know above my class and clarity. We have to go look down upon me and decide if him for there with me tonight, tomorrow, or whenever. My man want me. My disrespect when me talk about with Tikki is a different situation than where you are come off, please. So you can't take that out of the story. It's a total different scenario, miss.
Okay.
Tikki know what me talk about. It's a total different scenario.
So
I did not disrespect Trev. I was talking what I see, and Trev feel offended, and he disrespect by telling me some my mouth stink. And I did not use any words at all to give him that kind of
but maybe him say it and
intention.
not
Make him
knowing that
feel
you
no
would
type
take
of
it-
way.
saying it not knowing that you would take it this offensive till you said a lot of stuff also by the one thing you
And
said.
that's how I am. You disrespect me, and I go full 100% by you. That's why people don't mess around with me.
Well, Tikki decides and Trev decide what
Be
they
nice with me, I be nice with you.
Oh, well,
The moment you disrespect me, you open up ashes and dirt and fire upon yourself.
Oh no, look at the hours we must asleep.
When me talk, not where I lie, me talk things where go so. So if a person have a problem with that, that's fine. But don't disrespect me because I'm going to talk the things then. I mean, if I do nothing wrong, me tell you, I just don't feel like you're genuine to the girl. And that's him that me did say, we would have talk a whole different conversation. It wasn't nothing for nobody get upset. Oh, I think me that say, oh, the two know the one place and in the perfume live and you the perfume live. The two should have in the one live I do no look at thing. I don't know what my blood class, you know, me chat all kind of certain people that I chat, so sometimes I chat fuck me, I don't know what me talk say, but me know it wasn't nothing for me, nobody upset and tell me say my mouth stink. So no care only want come identify about people's feelings. Me not care about nobody's feelings, me love. It was no conversation for nobody get up now them feelings so you come tell me say my mouth stink. Once you tell me say my mouth stink, you open up fire by yourself cause disrespect bring disrespect. That's why I think you rather the girls them cause the girls them come with disrespect and she give them back disrespect. When them come nice, you see, when them come nice, she angle them nice. And while I got them calling, she deal with them nice, she not diss them. Them come nice, so she deal with them nice. Even though them come in a class, them did a run joke. She not class them. So now to understand the terminology of these things and stop going on her head and bringing on this fucking media and on real life. And stop stressing me out. Look, by the time my mom chilling on my bed with my man, I look at things and I get like a sleep today. So?
Trev.
Tell Trev to done the fuckery and tap the fuckery. And stop draw this thing out to make it look like so young people not real beef. Because I know you're from now if you go in an argument with you. And the fact of the matter is the girl in love with you, my dear. So I don't have no option. I can't angry or more angry, my love. Because the girl in love with you, so I have to tip on my toe. So you need to done and stop show disrespect. If you go draw all these things, for make me and you go in a hot water fire when unnecessary. It's just the truth. I'm not if I'm not going to answer you again. I'll ever say my body I drop out and rotten. I'm not answer you again because you're pitting for me. It's just the truth. But I don't like the disrespect because I think I'm too old to take disrespect from a young girl. I have a fire back shot on your blood clot. That's how it go. Call it a deal. You lick me and I lick your back. But done the foolishness. All of this is not necessary. Just come to your acting and no choreograph and no script or no write fill this love story. And just make a watch. All the thing I go on over them, I love him, love the excitement, you hear? I don't know why.
Tell me if you love it. As me text him phone, he go on live, go talk with me text him. Say, no must about clout love it.
Him love it. Him love it. Him live for this. You think him not like it?
If you know what?
Clout of excitement. Everybody love this.
He just love when he just love go talk, say, man, Tikki, they catch you 3 grand. Queens go quite a Bronx every day with seafood. I don't love when me tell him about that, when me tell him about that, then vex.
What kind of seafood? Him have an ex-boyfriend?
First time I love.
Left that alone, girl. Nobody got throw up all part. Left that alone.
That me a thorough pissy you fuck with me.
Left that alone, girl. The time pass. I don't come talk things that people tell me. But when people tell me, I don't know if you go so, you don't have to go so. If you not go so, you don't have to feel no way. I boss you, I boss liberty by one another.
So, when Trev go talk, say, this or talk, say that, Trev not like me for true, but me still love him and everything, but he don't like me. Because if Trev could come with the food, could give me 10 minutes away, just 10 minutes away. And I go say, they tell me if you not go do me.
You want the boy to come back over, you don't want him to come back tonight.
You know how long I want to see every time I say I want to meet you. You man give me 200. First one ever see me in a real life, best year give me 200. Now there's a miracle. You man having big year story, them big business, them one car, one church, because straight on no blood clot. Come on, say Tikki, me say anytime I meet you, I go give. Some put her up on my story yesterday. Say anytime I meet you, I go bless you and you man to go 200 give me. Me still now go bring down Trev and the things them because I have a reason to do.
Now bring him down, girl. Now bring him down.
Me go bring down my man for me not do that, but Trev should have just called the police. No, it's money to say me lace, so moderator make money no say under him white with a black. Make money no say under him white with a black. Somebody say it's not your man, no, they're not yours. You know, we send a win this I don't know.
Bring it for me, please.
You should have just called the police on it while me beat Queen is still, you know? Not clot.
You beat Queen for true, girl.
See clot, as someone did sweet. Now like Trev, you put it down on the wrong
one.
You have good cocky problem.
No, you have good cocky problem. You with somebody could have won you. Mr. Hit a run, Chef Hit a fly.
Bomba clap.
Hey, when you not shame the girl and can't come out because nothing. Best thing, media man, you know. Hey, Trev no know when though. I made the media man, I'm sitting and I say, Trev, please. Trev should have just get up, so bestie. Better Trev didn't look around for me up north in there.
And back, so
I say Tikki, me did tell about this today yesterday, this about the life thing and the parents and the both side and the family members and everything. Just Bill. But that know they not understand now. Trev go back ahead again.
Them did talk to you from earlier on.
Yes, he tell me about it today and he tell me about it yesterday. But me I say, me never remember did that day. I swear.
fuck just sweet and we talk about it.
So if fuck just sweet to any things them. Everything. Bamba clato. So when you say boy I love me and the boy can food for me. And the boy can big drinks.
Man, you like to your salvation. Whom shall I fear to blood clot? A ball.
Look at it.
I'm gonna drink our fruit punch. You know, look at Trev salad.
That's
My
love.
love. Keep your belly full.
That's love. The boy can have drinks.
Show them drinks on a regular
Food.
basis and soap.
And no regular drinks. And no drinks that give me diabetes. So not I say man no love me with. Someone just yeah. I understand you know yeah about
Yeah, girl, let me tell you now. I feel like him no want to on the internet with no relationship business then. Him talk to you about that?
only need talk to me ears out to ya man. Come fit
Then you have a problem then? The man no want a relationship on the World Wide Web then, girl. So you never know this?
See me Auntie Bree said the man love me. What you say?
Oh wait, Trev, never blood cut. Trev, come over here, sir. Too much. Come here, Trev. You're too much now.